That we have completed the graded wash, let's move on to the variegated wash. A variegated wash is created by blending two different colors within the same wash. For this exercise, we'll prepare two separate mixtures, burnt umber and ultramarine blue. I want both mixtures to have a similar consistency, something light and fluid, closer to a tea-like mixture. And I also want to prepare enough paint to cover the areas in one go. Once the mixtures are ready, I'll begin applying the wash. I'll start on the left side with ultramarine blue. After the section is in place, I clean my brush and remove any excess moisture before introducing burnt umber on the right side. At first, I leave a small section between the two colors. This gives me space to control the transition. As long as both sides are still wet, I can gently bring the burnt umber towards the blue and allow the two colors to meet and blend naturally on the paper. Where the two colors touches, they begin to mix on their own. That interaction is what creates the variegated effect. The key is to let the wash do most of the blending instead of overworking it with brush, because too much brushing can make the result look muddy. After that, I'll tilt the surface slightly and lift any excess moisture. This helps the wash settle more evenly and keep the transition smooth. Because this technique depends on wetness and timing, there's always a little spontaneity involved, and that natural interaction is part of what makes a variegated wash so beautiful.